Hey guys, it is Miss Campos. I am here in our classroom, as you can see, one last time before I clean up because our school year is over, so it's time to take everything down. Estoy aquí en nuestro salón una última vez, estoy aquí limpiando, voy a quitar todo porque ya se terminó el año escolar. When I got here, I was so sad because of all the memories, and I just started thinking that we weren't able to finish our year together. But then I started thinking of all the beautiful memories we made, all the fun times we had that I'm always going to remember, and I hope you will too. Me puse triste cuando entré al salón porque me acordé que no pudimos terminar el año juntos, pero a la vez me alegré porque me acordé de todas las buenas memorias que hicimos juntos y ojalá tú también te acuerdes de esto. Let me show you all the room one last time before I take everything down, okay? Déjenme enseñarles el cuarto una última vez. So here is our science. Our Chromebooks cart is gone because some of y'all have the Chromebook. Y'all remember Bob, our last winning that we weren't able to do. My messy desk, I'm sorry. And look guys, the last thing we were working on before we left was the food chain. Our science resources, our habits, our little hangout area. We still have the heart attack on the door. Our little goals, our science, and our book station, and back around. And if you see here, the last day we were in school, March 16th. Impossible is nothing, nothing is impossible. That is the last quote of 5th grade. So guys, with that, I just want to say I miss you. I hope you enjoy your summer. Please stay safe. And hopefully I see you in the fall when you are 6th graders, okay? Que se diviertan este verano, los voy a extrañar y nos vemos el próximo año escolar, okay? Hasta luego.